Del here, and today we have some pretzel crisp snack factory, and this, I just took a quick look, and the fat, and the next item they're all zeros, trans fat and everything, and I think it's zero cholesterol as well. So that's 3 zeros there, and then we've got spinach and artichoke hummus, or I don't know, they call it hummus.
Hummus.
Yeah, hummus. The cognoscente dice hummus. Okay, there we are. There what that looks like. And so let's see what's in the spinach and artichoke. Is that the business in the middle here? What is that middle stuff?
Yeah, the middle stuff's the spinach and artichoke.
Okay, this is non-GMO, and for those of you who don't know that, GMO, genetically modified organisms. Well, at any rate, it's not genetically modified, so that's a good thing. And then it's also gluten-free, and a lot of
genetically modified organisms.
A lot of people who are fussy about their food and their diet and so forth, they'll tend to eat hummus. So it's
Hummus.
Hummus. Let's see if I can open the package and not goop that up. There. Okay, so it shows you what they look like, and we'll see if we got some in here that appear to be broken. We'll get one that's not broken. So here we'll try it, and I guess the idea is to dip it. So we'll dip. I know what hummus tastes like, and it's not a surprise thing to me. And so we got a generous bit of that artichoke and things in there. So let's try it. I can taste the hummus and the artichoke, spinach and artichoke. Spinach is something that I eat. So, here. These crackers, some of them are broken in the package. So let me see. Yeah, see, like here's one that's broken, but not all of them, and not too many of them, I don't think. So here's the part that the hummus, I know what tastes like, and I like it. And I think the little pieces of spinach might be in there. I don't really know what artichokes are, so I don't know if that center is solely artichokes or...
It's a vegetable.
Okay. It's a vegetable. And this isn't bad. A certain type of people eats this way, according to my experience, and they tend to do this rather than, there's other ways of eating, but this is more on the healthy side. Vegan type people that are, vegan. So I got hummus and vegan and hummus. I got them both right there, vegan and hummus type people. People that are concerned about the welfare of the planet and the imprint we're leaving, they tend to eat like this, according to my experience. So I'm not criticizing them or anything like that. I got no problem eating like this. I'm hungry, I eat. It's just something different. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. There. So here's the package. And here they're showing on the back there, they show the pretzels with a dip. And what's these other things on top of the picture there?
Like green peppers and olives and
Okay.
hummus. So, yeah. On the bottom right, left, it says hummus something.
So we got the pretzels down here, the hummus in the middle, and then we have the aforementioned olives and vegetable-like items. So call it the Snack Factory. This is original
They have different flavors like that.
and non-GMO. So again, it's not genetically modified or anything like that. So and this one here, there all the time with the hummus, there's always the ingredients are in that little like small print. I don't think everybody reads that. And then again with the percentages and so forth, the DV, that's also in kind of small print. It's easier to read when you have a chart like this. Every print's bigger and you can get an idea about it. So I haven't read anything about the hummus, just assuming that it's healthy. So I got nothing against this. It's a great snack to watch the game with or watch TV, or just if you're having a little lunch or brunch or something. You could do a lot worse. I'll get it.